The Perseverance rover landed in the Jezero crater, located on planet Mars, in February 2021. Space researchers subsequently analyzed images taken by the rover on Mars. These photos seem to indicate that the planet witnessed water flooding during ancient times. Now, that's an intriguing discovery, for sure. Please visit the link below for further details. By the way, the Jezero crater has a diameter of 45 kilometers. Pathogenic bacteria sometimes develop resistance to commonly prescribed antibiotics. A research team seems to have found a novel solution to this real-world problem. The team is using newly designed substances called lipophosphinoxins to kill bacteria. Lipophosphinoxins don't need to penetrate pathogenic bacteria to kill them. Instead, they can get rid of the pathogens by simply disrupting their cell membranes. So far, the team has not come across any strains that have developed resistance to the nanomaterial used in this study. This seems quite encouraging, doesn't it? According to a research report, extra virgin olive oil, also known as cold-pressed olive oil, can help significantly in the prevention and management of type 2 diabetes. Biomedical researchers came to this conclusion after performing a meta-analysis of 4 cohort studies that included more than 15,000 patients suffering from type 2 diabetes. However, before making any dietary changes, Videonium recommends talking to your family physician first. Pluto is moving away from the Sun with every passing Earth year. Therefore, its atmosphere is condensing or freezing and falling to its surface. Why? Well, as Pluto keeps going further away from the Sun, its temperature decreases. This temperature decrease causes its atmosphere to condense, and that's exactly how the atmosphere of Pluto is disappearing. To put it in perspective, Pluto's surface temperatures could be as low as -240 degrees centigrade. Scientists from Chile are working on bacterial strains that eat metals discarded during the mining process. This comes as a relief to environmental activists who are trying to protect Chile's environment from mining-generated metallic waste. When starved, a bacterial strain recovered from the El Tacio geysers in Chile finished eating a metallic nail in just 3 days. Wow! Isn't that incredible? Researchers studying employee behavior recently came to an interesting conclusion. According to them, healthy professional bonding among recent recruits is the key to early success. Therefore, the team is asking fresh recruits to stay away from excessive networking as soon as they join a business, because doing so can adversely affect the rate at which they adjust to the new environment. Instead, the research team is asking fresh recruits to focus on establishing professional bonds with their core group of team members first. Sharing stories that teach moral values does inspire kids, especially those in the age group 10 to 14, according to a psychology study. Pedagogical researchers have found out that active learning, or learning that involves some kind of interaction, activity, hands-on training, etc., is far better than the old and boring method of teaching inside classrooms. Active learning puts students in the driver's seat and helps students understand critical concepts more easily, according to the researchers. Are you going to board a flight at Chicago's O'Hare Airport anytime soon? Well, you could try out something new when your flight takes off. PayPal is collaborating with United Airlines, and people who have installed the PayPal app on their mobile devices can use QR codes to buy in-flight food items and beverages. These QR codes work even without access to the internet. Once you land at an airport and get connected to the internet, you receive an emailed receipt confirming all of your in-flight purchases. I am definitely going to try this out soon. How about you?